Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set different shipping charges based on order price in Wix store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see order summary 295. So we are going to set different shipping charges based on total order price. Now you see subtotal 295. Now go to Wix dashboard. So we are in setting and then you see shipping delivery. So click on it. So we are in shipping and delivery and then you see new region. So click on it and then you see region. Now select. So we are going to set for all over the world. Now select rest of the world. Now select it and then you see shipping, free shipping. Now select. You see drop down, rate by price, calculate rate based on the total price of a customer order. Now select this option. And then you see shipping option name. So you can add name according to requirement. So we added name standard shipping and then you see estimate delivery time. If you want you can add it. And then you see price range start point 0 and point 1 rate. Now you see, so you can add price range according to requirement. Now first maximum $100, minimum $0, maximum $100 and we are going to charge $50. So this is a second range, start from $100. So we are going to add more. Then you see add range. So click on it. Now you see minimum 100, maximum 200 and we are going to charge $40. And then you see minimum 200. If you want to add more range, then click on add range 300 and we are going to charge $30. Now you see minimum $300 and up to maximum limit and we are going to charge $20. If you want you can add ranges according to requirement. So this is our minimum price, this is our maximum price and this is price we are going to charge for customer on total order price. And then you see multiple option. If you want you can add local delivery pickup and then click on save. So it's up to you. So you can add price ranges according to requirement and then you see you have saved region 1. Now go to cart page or order summary 295. Now refresh the page and then you see subtotal 295, delivery fee $30. So we are going to increase, calculating and then you see subtotal 465, $20. Now reduce and then you see subtotal 125 and delivery charges $40. Again reduce. So we are going to decrease quantity. Subtotal 105, delivery $40, total 145. So you can set price range based on total order price according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.